I've already applied our Beautycounter Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer all over my face. It evens out my skin tone and protects my skin from sun damage with our SPF 20 mineral sunscreen. Next, I like to brighten up my face using our concealer pen. This concealer pen is so convenient. Just click the bottom a couple times and the product will come right out onto the brush. Applying your concealer in a triangle shape under your eyes will help brighten your entire face. This is where the summer glow happens. I use a kabuki brush to apply bronzer on my forehead and under my cheekbones to add warmth and color to my face. With bronzer, a little goes a long ways. As you'll see, you can always come back and add more. Another key item for your summer glow is shimmery blush. The shimmer helps pick up the light right where the sunshine naturally hits your face. I'm using one I already had in my makeup bag, but our Beautycounter Illuminating Cream Highlighter would be a great option. Time for the finishing touches! Filling in your eyebrows really helps to define your features and pull the whole look together. Beautycounter's Brow Gel is one of my favorite products because it makes it so easy to achieve a natural, beautiful brow. Using small brush strokes, swipe up and out. I love to use a mascara that gives my lashes volume and definition. Since I'm not doing a heavy eye for this look, I'm only applying a mascara to my top lashes. I'm using one I already had in my makeup bag, but our Beautycounter Volumizing Mascara would be a great option. For this summer look, have fun with your lip color and choose something bold. I love our sheer lipsticks because they go on like chapstick and provide a beautiful moisturizing sheer color. I also decided to go back in with the bronzer and add a little more color and warmth to complete the look. I hope you enjoyed this summer glow tutorial. For more information on the products you saw today and all the products available for your family, be sure and check out my website at beautycounter.com/Tiffany Alt. Thanks for watching!